Hey, what's going on, builders? Welcome back to another video. And for today's video, we are going to be restoring the headlights on the Project Accord. So let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to be doing today are we're going to be restoring these headlights. As you can see, these both are foggy. And for today's project, all we're going to need is toothpaste, and I'll be showing you that. But it's just going to be using toothpaste, and yeah. So let's get started. Okay, for today's project, what we're going to be needing is okay, so because it's more late at night, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna be pulling in the car, so yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be showing you how to use the toothpaste to get rid of the oxidation. You see how it's all yellow right here? But I'm just gonna show you how to do it on this side because I want to do it before and after, and I feel like it'd be better off if you guys like see the actual thing instead of a picture. So this side I'm just gonna leave, and I'm gonna do the other side. So yeah. Okay, for today's project, we're going to be using for the toothpaste is Crest, baking soda, and peroxide whitening. And I did watch Chris Fix It video, and he did help, so I just want to see if this will work and to restore the headlight. But all we're going to do is just going to put some on there, rub it on, and put on the thing. And then we'll be using the toothbrush so it can be blending in instead of using our fingers, and it'll be better. So yeah. So as you can see, we're mixing it in. Okay. Now this is like a little mod. It's not like a big one, but at least it'll hopefully get rid of the oxidation. Which obviously, if you're watching this video, obviously that's what is gonna be happening. But we're just gonna put it on the car, mixing it in. Yeah. And you're gonna be wanting to do a couple coats to make sure it all comes out clear. But as you can see, I'm getting it over the entire headlight, which is really good and what you want to be doing. And you're just gonna be wanting to scrub it in and make sure it gets everywhere. On you. As you can see, you're not going to be using the toothbrush, again, so might as well use it to work on your car or any of your projects. Alright, then after you are done mixing it, you're going to be wanting to take your water. And you're just going to be wanting to spray it on your headlight. All over. And what you're going to want to be doing is taking this, and you're going to be wanting to scrub it all off. Just as you can see, we're scrubbing it all off. Definitely does look a lot better than the other side. Definitely does. And also, not only does it look better, it also does smell better as well. So yeah, that's also a plus. We're just gonna be wanting to do that. Also, make sure you take toothpaste off your car. Obviously you're gonna, but just want to make sure to tell you that. As you can see with the project cord, we are doing as much mods as we can on it, but we're in my state, you can't really do that much, like lowering the car. Can't really do the underglow or rock lights, which I really want to do, but it's not really legal in my state, so I'd be getting in trouble a lot if I did. But yeah, as you can see, that's a whole lot better. I'm gonna, from my angle, as you see, this was the headlight that we didn't do. This is the headlight that we just did. It looks a whole lot better before and after, as you can see. Like before and after, this one's the one we just did. This is the one that we had to do. So we're gonna apply a second coat. I feel like we've got the job done. So yeah. Okay, we're gonna want to be applying our second coat. So again, take this. If you have a mud guard, if you have the bug deflector on, it's gonna be a little bit tricky. Just gonna put some more on it, and the more coats you do, the better out the headlight will turn out. So we're just gonna putting that in there, putting that in there, put off the toothpaste off to the side, just be rubbing it in. Yeah. Just gonna be rubbing it in. As you can see, it's all rubbed in now, which is really good, and you can't really see it popping out at all, so that's always good. All right, so again, put that down. Now we're gonna be taking our cloth. Well, we're gonna let this dry. It's gonna be drying for about like 2 seconds. And again, what we gotta do is, all right, after we let that dry, all we're gonna do is be spraying it off. As you can see, I'm spraying it off right here. As you can see, all like the soap is dripping off, and you can definitely tell there's no more yellowness on the car at all. So that's definitely good. I'm taking that. It's gonna be, take some more. Make sure you give your car a cleaning after, because you just don't want toothpaste all up on the car, on your project at all. But I will be washing it after. Okay, so as you can see, that's the one we just did. That looks so much better. I very like how we used the toothpaste, and that's the old one. But I'm gonna be showing you a light test. So here we are. Okay, so as you can see, this one's a whole lot better than that one. It's a lot brighter out on that side. on this side, as you can see, like there's a whole you could definitely tell the yellow residue compared to that side. So I'm very happy with how this turned out. So yeah. Okay, as you can see, we finished both. So that was the first one we started on. And then off camera, I did this one. As you can see, there's no more oxidation. And if you come far, as you can see, they're both very good. So yeah, I'm going to show you how they are rolling outside. So yeah. I hope you builders liked the video where, as you can see, we restored the headlights, and I did show you the before and after, and oh my god, am I happy with this little mod. That was so good. So I hope you guys liked the video, and just don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to build it up. Peace, and see you in the next one.